All right, good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so another morning, another new all-time high, 25.39.75 is the high of the moment. We're on an upper band ride, essentially. Touched it here, trying to reach back up and grab it again. So, upper band rides are dip buy markets, but, it'll try to talk you out of it. And, yesterday morning, set up like Monday morning and Tuesday morning, with the one exception of there were some rejections at 32.5 that were pretty stiff. And they were stiff enough to talk me out of my 29.75 long, and then it went. So everybody gets left at the station sometimes. Yesterday it was my turn. And it was one of those days. It took off and it did its thing. And that's going to happen when you trade. And it's about, how you react to it, versus anything else. I had an okay short in the afternoon. It gave a little bit back. I mean, the reality was yesterday in the afternoon, VWAP wanted to be support. And you can see why now. I mean, they just could not deal with 35 in the overnight. And as we hop over, so you can see the upper band right here on the daily chart. So here's the hourly chart, and you can just see mid-band support. You can see these these Bollinger Bands pinching together and expanding, pinching and expanding. We're back in another potential expansion now. It's a market that just wants to walk. It wants to take a walk higher, and it's very quietly done about 30 handles this week. Very quietly done 30 handles. Actually, no, it's done 20 handles, done 22 handles. But, there's a lot of week left. So how do the bears snap out of this? Well, converting a level. And, I had been saying for a while they have to convert a level that matters. If they can convert any level at all, it would be a start. But they can't. I mean, at least they couldn't yesterday. They couldn't on Tuesday, Tuesday, and they couldn't on Monday. So today, today is a new beginning, I guess. And they have the opportunity to try to accomplish something. So as we hop over to the 5-minute chart, but before I do, the hourly midband, converting that would be a nice start towards any kind of a two-sided market. And as we hop over onto a 5-minute chart here, you can see what happened in the overnight. Just it based in that 35 area. I'm going to zoom this out a little bit so we can talk a little bit about what happened yesterday afternoon. So here's yesterday afternoon. Here's basically yesterday as a whole. Here's your move down to 29s. You can see some rejections here. 32.5, 32.5, 32.5. That was enough to talk me out of my long, Einstein. And then it just walked up the rest of the day. Pull back once. This is an okay short for us. Pull back to VWAP. It holds. VWAP it holds, and they just can't find any traction in the overnight. And you can see where daily pivot has wanted to hold, and now walking it up to new highs. So if the bears want to be present today, if they want to be even in the conversation, that starts with being able to convert 5-minute mid-band, proprietary moving average, VWAP, this whole layer of price at 36. If they can't, then 36 is going to act as support today. It becomes a fertile environment for the dip buy, and you'll see another walk up to more highs. So can they convert 36? Can they convert 34? If not, then 36 to 34 will be the 29 of Wednesday. It'll be the 26 of Tuesday. It'll be the 19 of Monday. And the stairs just keep heading higher and higher until the bears decide they want to show up. Okay, everybody have a fantastic day. I'll be back with a midday update. Trade them well. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.